When we think of the heart of the home, the kitchen often comes to mind. But have you ever wondered who crafts these essential spaces to make them both functional and beautiful? This is where the role of a kitchen designer comes into play. A kitchen designer plans, designs, and oversees the creation or renovation of kitchens, combining functionality with aesthetics. They consult clients, select materials, manage projects, and collaborate with contractors, ensuring spaces are both practical and visually appealing. Let's look deeper into what a kitchen designer does, exploring their skills, responsibilities, and the impact they have on our everyday lives. The role of a kitchen designer. A kitchen designer is more than just an interior decorator for your cooking space. They are kitchen remodel services professionals who specialize in the planning, design, and execution of kitchen layouts. Their work involves understanding client needs, creating functional designs, and ensuring that the result is not only practical, but also aesthetically pleasing. Understanding client vision and needs. The initial step for any kitchen designer is to understand the client's vision and requirements. This involves discussions about lifestyle, preferences, and the functionality needed in the kitchen space. Design and planning. Once the client's needs are understood, the designer begins the process of creating a detailed plan. This plan includes the layout, color schemes, materials, and appliances that will be used. It's a comprehensive blueprint that guides the entire project. Material selection and sourcing. Choosing the right materials is crucial in kitchen design. The designer must consider durability, maintenance, and style while selecting countertops, cabinetry, and other elements. Collaboration with contractors and suppliers. Kitchen designers often work closely with contractors and suppliers. They need to ensure that the design plan is executed accurately and that materials are available and within budget. Project management and oversight. A significant part of a kitchen designer's job is project management. This involves overseeing the construction and installation process, ensuring timelines are met, and ensuring the final product aligns with the client's vision. What does a kitchen designer do? A kitchen designer is a professional who specializes in planning, designing, and overseeing the construction or renovation of kitchens. Their role is multifaceted and involves both creative and technical skills. Here's a breakdown of what a kitchen designer typically does. Client consultation. The first step in a kitchen designer's job is to meet with the client. During this consultation, they discuss the client's needs, preferences, and budget. This is a critical phase where the designer gets an understanding of the client's vision for their kitchen space. Design and layout planning. Based on the initial consultation, the designer creates a layout for the kitchen. This involves deciding where to place cabinets, appliances, and counters, and ensuring that the space is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. They must consider the work triangle, the space between the stove, refrigerator, and sink, to maximize efficiency. Material and appliance selection. Kitchen designers help clients choose materials for countertops, cabinetry, flooring, and more. They also assist in selecting appliances, fixtures, and lighting. This part of the job requires staying up to date with trends as well as knowledge about the durability and maintenance of various materials. Technical aspects and drawing. A significant part of the job involves technical drawing and planning. Kitchen designers use software to create detailed drawings and plans that contractors will follow. These plans include electrical, plumbing, and structural elements. Collaboration with contractors and suppliers. Kitchen designers often work closely with contractors, carpenters, electricians, and plumbers to bring their designs to life. They must coordinate and communicate effectively to ensure that the project stays on track and within budget. Project management. From the start to the completion of the kitchen project, the designer is involved in project management. This includes overseeing the construction process, managing timelines, and ensuring that the work is done to the client's specifications. Adherence to codes and regulations. A kitchen designer must be knowledgeable about building codes and regulations. They ensure that the design complies with all local and national standards, particularly in terms of safety and construction. Client walkthrough and finalization. Once the project is nearing completion, the designer will walk through the kitchen with the client. This is to ensure that everything is as per the client's expectations and to make any final adjustments. Staying informed and continued education. The field of kitchen design is always evolving, with new trends, materials, and technologies. A good kitchen designer stays informed about these changes through continued education, attending workshops, and reading industry publications. In summary, a kitchen designer is responsible for creating a functional, efficient, and aesthetically pleasing kitchen space. They must balance their artistic vision with practical considerations, working within a budget and adhering to safety standards. Their role is crucial in transforming a kitchen from a mere cooking area into the heart of the home. The importance of functionality in kitchen design. Ergonomics and space utilization. One of the key aspects of kitchen design is ergonomics. A kitchen must be designed for ease of use and efficiency. This includes considering the placement of appliances, work triangles, and storage. Innovative storage solutions. Innovative storage solutions are vital in modern kitchen designs. Designers focus on creating spaces that maximize storage while maintaining aesthetics. Lighting and ventilation. Proper lighting and ventilation are essential for a functional kitchen. Designers must plan for adequate natural and artificial lighting and ensure proper airflow. Aesthetic aspects of kitchen design. Current trends in kitchen aesthetics. Staying abreast of current trends is crucial for kitchen designers. They need to know about the latest in color palettes, materials, and design themes. Personalizing spaces. Every client is unique, and so are their kitchens. Personalization is a significant aspect of kitchen design, allowing clients to reflect their style in the space. Balancing aesthetics and functionality. A good kitchen design balances aesthetics with functionality. The designer's challenge is to create a space that looks great and works efficiently.